She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, dance, do your dance, girl, dance. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl?
Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Shane's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again you guys for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Today's recipe is going to be a dessert that takes two of the classic flavor combinations when it comes to desserts. We're going to go ahead and make some cherry chocolate chip cookies. So these are the ingredients that we'll be using today for these cherry chocolate chip cookies. Together, these few ingredients are going to make a wonderful little cookie that is a delicious snack, and it will bring together all those flavors of chocolate and cherries that you love. So hopefully you guys are ready for today's recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out, definitely appreciate that. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do so by hitting that subscribe button and the bell to be notified of every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so as you can see, these are the cherry chocolate chip cookies, full in every bite with that cherry and chocolate. So you definitely get that chocolate covered cherry effect with this cookie. It is a shortbread cookie, so they are perfect for coffee or tea, and they're definitely easy to eat with their perfect little bite size. Give this a try guys if you certainly love the combination of chocolate covered cherries. Hopefully you did enjoy today's recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you do love the cherry and chocolate combination. Share this video out, certainly appreciate that. And if you aren't subscribed, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye guys.